as you see here, this area with the comments, this is called the comment box. This is extremely dynamic, so you have all the options to design everything within the same visual. You can make it wider or more narrow, and then you have a lot of additional options, like having a more material design with shadows, and practically control every pixel on the visual. And of course, you can style the charts according to your corporate branding or preferred design. So every color that you see here, of course, can be adjusted. So maybe better for something, blue versus red, for to compensate for color blindness, and so on.